Going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back at you with another video. Hey, you know today is a wonderful day. It's a great day. Every day is a great day. But you know when you see Khrome in the garage, we got something going on it. But today, this gonna be just a small installation going on just to enhance the bike just a little bit, but not overdoing it. So I don't like to overdo my bike and make it all gaudy looking. But yeah, we got something going on the bike, and I'm gonna get into it and show you where it is right after this. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you what I have to enhance the bike just a little bit more. You know that I'm a big fan of Figurati Designs, and I'm rocking the Figurati Designs lug nut cover here, and also I'm rocking the Figurati Design timing cover here, and I'm also rocking the dock station covers right there with the cross on it. All that matches. So, but today I got something for you that my dude Kerry from Figurati Designs sent me. Y'all look at this, y'all. Let me look at them. Y'all already seen some of the stuff that I've done. This is the packaging that it comes in, man. And all this stuff is great quality stuff. And this is what's going on here. And you probably wonder where this is going. Let me show you where this is going. It's going right back here. We're gonna pull this little plastic piece off right here. And we're going to install this beautiful little Figurati Design cover right here. And this just pops out, y'all. And it's got like a little magnet here and got the 3M tape so that this won't come off. So we're going to get this boy put on. It's kind of curved too, so it's curved with the fender as well. So yeah, man, I mean, this stuff is nicely packaged as always. Stainless steel product. Coming in here looking really good. I still got all the cases to this. So y'all, this ain't gonna be an installation video. That little black piece just pops off. We're gonna pop this on, and I'm gonna show you what it look like when we get it on there. All right, peace. Hey y'all, you can actually dry fit this because this is a magnet on here. Dry fit it first, see where you want it on here, and then pull it off, make sure it's straight, and then you just pull it off and take the 3M tape off the back so it'll stick right where you want it, and you ain't got to worry about losing it. So yeah, let me get this on here. Okay y'all, we got it done right here. Take a look at it, man. It looks really, really good. This is stainless steel. You don't have to worry about it. You got the 3M tape behind it, and it's easy to put on. Just heat up the 3M on the back so you can kind of activate that and get that started. But man, that looks really good, man. I want to thank my buddy Kerry. Man, I appreciate you, bro, for sending this over to me. So man, make sure you go check out Figurati Design. I call it motorcycle jewelry. That's what I call it. So make sure you go check out my dude. I'll put a link down in the description, and make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. I greatly appreciate it, man. It don't cost you anything just to smash that button and start following your boy journey, man, because we got trips coming up. Stay tuned, y'all, to the next adventure, y'all, and to the next time, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day, and keep them tools up, man, and stay vigilant out here because people are getting hit by different people, man. So, man, hey, we want to stay straight on these shoes, man, and check your mirrors constantly, man. All right, peace. I'm out. Have a blessed one.